Good morning and welcome to everybody. Today we are going to learn how to find roots of a quadratic equation by quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is given in your textbook. Well, let us see question number 3 of Roman 1. Here question number is given. Question number is given. Find the roots of the following equations. X minus 1 by x equal to 3, where x is not equal to 0. So it is not in the form of quadratic equation. So first of all, we are to make this equation into quadratic equation, that is in the form of ax plus x a square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is not equal to 0. So I will find C. X minus 1 by x equal to 3 is given. So first of all, we make this equation into a quadratic equation, that is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. So in order to make this a quadratic equation, first of all multiply or by multiplying throughout by x, we get when we multiply by x, when x multiplied by x, will get x square, when 1 by minus 1 by x into x will get 1. This will be thrice x. So now x square, bring thrice x to this left hand side, so sign will be minus thrice x minus 1 equal to 0. So it is in the form of quadratic equation, where a is here 1, b is minus 3, c is minus 1. This is a standard form of quadratic equation. So now we will find the value of x by the formula of quadratic equation. So we can write this is in the form of quadratic equation where a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to minus 1. A equal to 1, the coefficient of x square is 1, the coefficient of x is minus 3, and c minus 1 is a constant term. So we know that the discriminant b square minus 4ac is a discriminant of the quadratic formula, where b means minus 3 whole square minus 4a means 1 and c equal to, we can put -1. So thrice minus c square 9. This will be minus plus 4, that is 13, which is greater than 0. So if the values of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 or 0, then the equation has real roots. We already know. So the quadratic, so the quadratic equation has real roots. Therefore, by formula, that is quadratic formula. By formula means by quadratic formula, by quadratic formula, we have x equal to minus b plus minus under radical of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So putting all the terms on this formula, we'll get minus b here, minus b will be minus 3 plus minus under radical of b square minus 3 whole square minus 4, a equal to 1, c equal to minus 1, again divided by 2, 2 into a is 1. So now simplifying this, plus 3 plus minus under radical of 3 square is 9, minus into minus plus 4 into 1 into 1 4, so it is 2 into 1 2. Therefore 3 plus minus under radical of 9 plus 4 13 divided by 2. So the roots of the equation, therefore x will be, x has two roots, for one is plus, another is minus. So x will be, the roots of the equation will be, therefore the roots of the quadratic equation will be x equal to 3 plus under radical of 13 by 2, and x again the other is 3 plus under radical of 13 by 2. This is minus, so this is minus. Therefore the two roots are 3 plus under radical of 13 by divided by 2, and another is 3 minus under radical of 13 by 2. Since it is a two roots, plus minus 3 plus minus under radical of 3 by 2, one is plus, one is minus. So this is the two roots of the quadratic equation. Hence we can find all the quadratic equation given in the textbook with the help of this quadratic formula. You try the next number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right, try. Now let us we take another example of 4. We see 4 is given here in your textbook. Given the sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's ages in years 3 years ago and 5 years ago, 5 years later, 5 years from now, is given 1/13. Find his present age. So given condition, we have to make a quadratic equation and then we solve it. So how will solve? You please look. Let us first we assume the present age of Rahman. Let us we assume the present age of Rahman. Solution. Let the present age of Rahman be X years. So therefore 3 years ago Rahman age was if Rahman says suppose the present age of Rahman is 10 years, then 3 years ago Rahman age was, before 3 years he was 10 minus 3, that is 7 years. So if the present age is X years, then 3 years ago his age was X minus 3 years. So again 5 years later, that is and 5 years after from now his age was his age will be if the Rahman's first present age is 10 years, 5 years after his age will be 10 plus 5, simple, 15 years. So we can have this is just to add 5 years with his present age, that is X plus 5 years. So according to question, the reciprocal of the age X minus 3 and X plus 5, and there is the sum of the reciprocal of this age X minus 3 and X plus 5 is given 1/3. That is, therefore by question 1/x minus 3 plus 1/x plus 5 equal to 1/3. Since the reciprocal of x minus 3 equal to 1/x minus 3 and the reciprocal of x plus 5 is equal to 1/x plus 5. The sum of this reciprocal is given 1/3. Hence we just simplify it. So find the LCM of x minus 3 and x plus 5. X minus 3 into x plus 5. This will be the LCM. So after simplifying, this cancel. This will be x plus 5, and this x plus x will cancel. Then x minus 3 here. It will be 1/3. So that's x plus x twice x. This will be plus 2, and we multiply this here, x minus 3 with x plus 5, and we'll get x into x square, x into 5x, and 3 minus 3 into x minus thrice x, minus 3 into 5 minus 15. Therefore 1/3. It is twice x plus 2. So here x square is 5x minus twice x. This will be twice x. Here 15 equal to 1/3. So here cross multiplication by 1. You multiply this term by 1, and 2x plus 2 is 3/3. Then we'll get, when we'll multiply by x square, 2x minus 15 we'll get, and again we multiply by 3 into 2x, 6x, 3 into 3 into 2 are 6. So we make it as a quadratic equation. So x square here plus twice x, and this is minus 6x. This will be 15, and when 6 bring to the left and will minus 6, this will be 0. Then x square, this will be minus plus 2x minus 6x, 4x minus 19 equal to this will be 21, 0. So it, and therefore it is a quadratic equation in the form x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a equal to, here coefficient of x square is 1, b equal to minus 4, and c equal to minus 21. So by the quadratic formula, we have x equal to minus b plus minus under radical of b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. Thus we put the values of a, b and c here, and we'll get the roots of the equation. Here b is minus 4, that is minus 4 plus minus under radical of b minus 4 whole square minus 4, a is 1, c is minus 21. So divided by twice a is 1. So this will be minus 4 plus minus 4, it is plus 16. This will be minus plus. This will be 22 into 4 into 21 is 21 is 4, 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 21 is 84. 2 into 1 is 2. Therefore 4 plus minus under radical of this will be 100. 100, yes, 2. Therefore 4 plus minus under radical of 10 by 2. And the square root of 100 is 10. Therefore either the value of x will be, therefore x will be, one is 4 plus 10 by 2 and x equal to 4 minus 10 by 2. That is 10 plus 2, this will be 14 by 2, that is 7, and again x will be minus 6 by 2, that is minus 3. Now the value of x, that is as is x means the age of present age of Raman. So x cannot be negative. The value of x cannot be negative, since age cannot be negative quantity. So the roots of the equation will be 7, that is 7 in this 7 years. The present age of, therefore the present age of Raman will be 7 years. So we cannot take the value of 3 minus 3, as we cannot have minus 3 years. So the actual answer will be 7 years. So in this way we can solve all the problems from 5 to 11. Please you do try at home. Till that, goodbye, meet you again.